Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a slow motion in inside of your video in DaVinci Resolve 17. First of all, we want to pick a part of our video where we want to actually do the slow motion. First of all, let's cut the part that we want to and cut the part where we want to slow motion to stop. Let's go back to the this tool selection mode, and as you can see, we already picked the one screen or one part, one clip of the video. What we're going to do is we gonna press Ctrl R, and as you can see, you can pick a speed change here. You can reset to 100 or also change the speed to completely up to you. Let's go 75%. And as you can see, the clip is already longer just because of the part that is slow motioned. So let's go like this, start the video, and now you see it's going a bit slower, and now it's back. So that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.